kind of decided that these lower canyons that we've been hunting may be holding some of these smaller bulls, and some of them are still with the cows, but we think the bigger bulls are going to be up higher and in the bigger canyon country. So this morning we're going to pack our stuff up for Vivian and we're going to stay out there a couple days. We are heading for the mountain for sure 1 night, possible 3 nights, depending on if we find water or not. We've got heavy packs and high hopes. We're gonna kill a big bull. Actually feels pretty good. So what I think is the worst part down here in the desert, we were blessed with about 30 minutes of shade from these clouds, but the sun's starting to peek out. It's getting warm. Trying to take frequent breaks so we don't lose too much water. We're kind of we're water conscious right now because we don't know what's up here. Made it to the top and spotted a nice black bear right away. See him moving down that ridge. He's just a bull. I think we're halfway there, and it hasn't been too bad. Hit some of these shelves and you get to get your energy back. But if you can see behind me, you can tell it's big country. We've got one more pretty good elevation gain to go. We started this hike around 2 o'clock, a little after, and we had about 3,000 feet of elevation gain. I'm not sure how the distance we came, but we made it in a few hours. Our legs are feeling it because of that reason. Light's fading now. We're gonna start a fire. We're gonna cook up a mountain house and we're gonna get some rest. Because tomorrow we're gonna find a big bull. We're gonna shoot him, and it's gonna take a long time to pack out.
And if whiskey don't kill me.
Oh man. I don't know, we're at like the 5th or 6th point here, and we found a pretty good glassing place. Jay found 4 cows, a spike, and some turkeys earlier, and other than that, it's been kind of a slow day. It's hot. We're kind of hoping these clouds build up. Weather's showing it's 80 or 81, and then but I think our plan for the evening is to drop off this canyon here and camp on that next ridge, and it kind of puts us at a little lower elevation where we're hoping the elk are. I mean, we know some elk are. We glassed them, but we're hoping there's more elk. But we're gonna try to make it down there before evening, get a camp set up, and have a couple hours to glass. So we are about to our furthest point. on this hike, and we've got a 6-point bull, 1,032 yards through the new razor and the phone scope. Midday heat. You can see his belly go up and down. It's hot out here. He's panting pretty good. He's not big. He's maybe 300 inches, but it's kind of tempting. The thought of backing him out of here is not. This is exactly the reason we came in here. Made it to the saddle that we saw on Google Earth. And sure enough, there's like a dozen cows and there's a nice bull in here. He's standing at 800 yards right now. And the cows have worked down to 550. I know I shouldn't think like this, but there's a couple days left in the hunt. Don't wait for big air. It's a long pack out. I don't know. All those things go to messing with you. I got some good phone scope video of him. Oh man. So we've got some daylight left. And I'd always prefer a closer shot if I can get it. So we're at a perfect vantage point, and we're just gonna wait for him. He's bugling. It's freaking cool. We're gonna wait for him and see if he comes closer. If he doesn't, I'll take that 800-yard shot. So I practice at 1,000.
Down.
That's the furthest shot I've ever made on an animal. 810 yards. And we just smoked that bull. He's we gotta go down a deep canyon to get him. Whew. Look at those things.